Thought of the day. Hello everyone. Here are the best thoughts of the day for LKG, UKG and class first. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's thought of the day is yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery. Thought of the day is do what is right, not what is easy. Thought of the day is when you know better, you do better. Thought of the day is miracle happens to those who believe in them. Thought of the day is early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Thought of the day is it's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Thought of the day is a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Thought of the day is winners never quit and quitters never win. Thought of the day is very short, very easy. Your nature is your future. Thought of the day is our future depends on what we do in the present. Thought of the day is only you can change your life. No one will help you. Thought of the day is if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Please subscribe our channel to get more educational videos.